am with Kofi TV. I am with Kofi TV. I am with Kofi TV.
And my name say and na koye Easter Friday e bia fe na ofri asore apon fi say ade ache abo duba kwa pa ho sima aduonu enan bre no enhyeda enko echipi ntimi ma wa ha na ene nkomo ebedi eye issues ahodo a asi ye yenua ba Ebony a ofri mu ya ye wie ama ya pene krabre yenjidie ne se owo agya no enchen eno ene ade a yerekiche yenre na agya ene ena wo mo ede Ebony eba asasi eso se ni wo mo edi nkomo na yehwe wodosoro nkwa moda na di ekye wo mo ewo ayi ase efri abra semisi yekwanya Ghana fo efa so esomu ne maame ankasa sese ne di nkomo na ebisa na eba ne sen na Ebony ba sunwan ensem ne yenhyeda enya all the details no DNC enu echi yetese kra se oba ne okunu wo mo asen aka bomu so mo kan bomu ebebisa na afi ya hwese de enkomo no nyina ete ene nti yentia ye yensa ka ye maame Beatrice Opon na afi ye papa so ha ye twa homra sisi na menna o mo edi nche na ye hye enkomo na ase. Yene o mabedi enkomo yi ene nti agya kwaten yedi ne kan ye be mo wache empomboko de ahode wo pa me da se na me ba me hu se ahon keka no ahya se eba ye ka se edi ya no achi a bebi sa se kopem breben nyame na tidie esibia ase ene nti me da se so se wa ma ye kwan ye ma me Beatrice empomboko de
na me adom ne mo pa bo
tuntum no mu a we hye tuntum na we hye kokko breben na be tuntum no.
Oh, enche me.
Me ne papa di nkomo kakra but me hyase ene de afiu so. Cheye mu eba ne sen na Ebony ba sunwan.
Ebony sunwan ba ne de. A surprise. I'm sorry the papa di nkra se oba me ho. Man papa kan kire me. Papa ne ka kire me say Obane so oba be your surprise intino mate ho acho intino anyway na me hwe animu de se oba ti o fie me ya 1212 me da ho no ma pe na me hu se me phone ringi na me peke na yo no se ma ba nam se oba hefa o se mabasu nyan nam se oboa no so mo sunyan na mo bebedru anopai ba na me pese me disturb wonti no hotel na ben won chen ha ya no me wo ho no regent nam so okay nam se wo se nka oba because it's me be surprise in tin. Ti wa no se ma e come di mi o. Am se something I make no. O friend me no ana ka kire me ntema. Ka mesesi wachi. Am se anyway, o Bediide. O se there now. Am se me ni bibia wo ka de o Bediide. No se me ni de. Am se okay. Ope nyaadwa fro ye bi wo hono. Am se de be quick ama oni ti no. Ma menya sa fro ye no ne Bayan PC Emma. Nam na moya say no so ye nipa for bodyguard na one of the friend back na driver TF4. Na I'm so okay. Ti from na mo bedroom ti mi ja phone no to pano so a me san ba kitchen say me be fa nya ado na sisu san call back no afre be 4-5 miss call. Na Tim yes, I'm about to free back now, no so free. Of course, I changed my mind. I'm so why I was need jollof rice and salad. I'm so okay. To who I'm afraid my sister back or shop. Cause area hono na salad ho ne ma bi nim ni ho ntin me say. Na my friends say, "Mama, obaso abo so be di say ni ntino, me sewa." Timi to nema we brem timi sta to shop no mu na we dey oba to nema ne ba ti oba no yebusu ye aduane na no san frese ma wunyu e kwam de mi wonam so ma me be 30 minutes aka salad no ko ameye ne ti no mi wi a be fro ti ma nwe ana me ti say kwan ba ko ka say Ebony aba wo eni mo hono. I'm say akwa ko mo de nampa. Onu abai de. Enti papa say me ti say o say akwa na ba. Eguso aye adwuma na aduane na. Me next door me hu ya ne sem frama. Kase bi. Hu sa me nim ne hu bi da. Amano fi next door ho bu refio. Ti na ya betna kitchen anim ho fie mo no musa na chese ye ti ba sa no de wi am fama ne peja no ne ma yetimi peja ko kitchen de eyo okay ba de ja no ho de yentimi anyi su biu ne ma ni nyina ase obedru ofi gate na no bedru fe ni inside ho na ba bia na egu ye na ho apena fama ni try hello mom, sweet mom. I'm from Anetokoi. No by in I didn't come yes, Papa, oh my dear, say video by Munya moving when any uncles no money. Mammy call near man, it say, they didn't come. Was mammy too kind. The next day I 50-50. Se ma nko dia meba am ye do birthday ntino ti ye gusua naja anajo no ye ja omo kwan eti omo ko na no san omo mbe free hotel ho akono no free e no sma afi na e free ho akọ na so okay na niam kura wuja o niam na miyima no ebi aka ha se wo ba beje no so ne ma me san ma na so dabi na me de ma wa o ma nti de ko wo ba ma Monday dia na wa ba na chese papa I'm so monko I miss you, I love you mom, sweet mom. The be 5 minutes wo phone so de eno a na ye nyina na me say ya de asa munya na mo hwe sonko
oba ye fi ho no na say enije from ho obi ane ni twa picture enije ane ho de na ma e ba sa
oh enije ne de na ho was oba ya pen of friend say yen friend ni uncle Emma no na baby ofie na o me ye friend ya uncle ba ko ho ma ye friend ma na ye nyina ye di nkomo che say na obi ani age oh obi ani age say
na uhu na che na uhu na nkasa
me hu ne nche sa
okay
because December no amune bullet am besi ko ye program o Tachiman tino omo ba no mo kon bo ni nyina nipa be 30 munya ye no aduane party omo didi aye de omo be ye bisa bullet obeka omo won clip wam so mu twa mo video ni sa ni nyina omo wie omo free ho a omo ko ti na nya de a achesa
now then attempt to say mommy I miss you I love you na mo din komo phone so net say
mene ntamu ye kama sometimes they go abefre no studio ha on timi nyai boys anyway ma call you back later we go we are now there na afre it was a bit my friend 2 times and sana why ma I'm busy but na juma na oye nti no ntimi force no ti mene ntamu de ntamu wanwa se wiasefo aka se mene me ba no entamu nyai afi bia me ba 2 times boy 1 boy 2 obi a woni mu bia nim se me ne me mane de papa ti mi ma de ko de wi asefo aka se
ebi ka se one ne ntem wo wante won kakra I say mu twe pa na mpo no hu wa che enti ba oba be hu wa ne sunwan no a we si ye no enti sakra
na mo ka bia ombo
na fi bia hu
oh me so obi a woni mi bia even London obi a woni mi bia ni sa fi bia me ba 2 times by boy even the mama 2 times boy me ba December me free about March ne boy me ba December boy ending of November enti no minimum de kudi enti awiase for ka sansem no David
but you know esu ana usu ne se oni awrade wo apam oni na tentam ense ebasa die na na ekoso wo mu sa bre no na die na apam ben
apam am ni awrade wo ne se eshenensa ambe de me mani mabusu nyina ahye papa yo hata suinsa apam am no papa yo ne se premature death me here because me hu niam a esisi wo wiase me mpesa ewu no apam am ne papa no woni se dani dan nyina as a Christian obi anyi ne ho ntumu se wo ya ide ba edu ba bi a utumu se we ni we de unu nyankopon tam ya yi a woni ne wapam
and I think so now because Diana son one as obesan aba na say after when you na wo gidie bi wo mu say obesan aba dia na
ma gidie say me ban besan aba but de nya me pe na oye because up to now me nyi ewo no ntum
esi na wie nyina say
esi na wie so de ti a me nyi ntum ni say me ba be bi abefa bi a wusia no obi phone ringia na nyomo da so wona baby a wona bia wote nenka enti no menyi ntu de bia mete me ba nenka ti no menyi ntu se sim se ye wa nyina akra no wo nche menyi ntu
every time by fear phone mo adan ho no echi no nipa mi shi omo ani ho adwumia no mo bo o ka mu ne dwuma na ye bo na kese eno ekai wo ma eye wo ya na se eye wo den wo tene dwom na hu ne mfoni no
enya me ya e ma manije e ma me hu se me ba no e da so te ase ti mi so na nwom de ma munya ebo mon ko so ambo e ma ye e she yin kran
Masian Bausu bio, Memra Eja and so. Eja, and Pomboko de. Controversies in the Bibri, O de, we cry, say, Adaka, de Cosino, was a son, any trum. About the same in chassis and frivo.
Okay. Adaka no. they say I'm very call baby almost did the phone transition or no. As a matter of fact, I want to keep on much for one. I want so once I almost only funeral people into almost accessories no. They sell it there. Say from Dakar and money baby. And you call yes, you need Lawrence Tete, doctor. And you call. He says he was going to pay for the coffin. You call various places. And he pay, but now baby could be no. They team my air in the airport. But baby could be an idea. He will and shut and yet idea not make Pammy Bano. And you call baby me and son and nine. Finally, you call. Transition hono ko hu ba ko na nice me yes okay and me pay no for Ebony na as a matter of fact na me here dey be very unique I be my so that was what I was looking for him. The reason being say nana him no or unique isunipa no enye komo me am hu ni so nipa da me na me wo akra no from day one no everything suggested to me say oh you're very special and I had always wished something special, something unique for her. Ti e ko ho na ye hu sa adaka no Lawrence said to me na doctor and nipa be 4-5 me mabusuafo ti me yes a choice no e twi aka ye bibia na e ko e ti e ko e no aka Friday no to Saturday no and I call your name omom dida no
okay transition for
yes omom de and I said because like I said I wanted the best for my girl into upon the transition for ni na ye no I still paid for obi san be sese ni bi e wo honom okay yeah. Enti ehonum na yekoy na omo dem a omo sesi no na maame na oye in charge. I don't know whether she's the CEO or whatever, or Bruni will have cast or something. Yekoy na ohwe me anytime yekoy bia no she would only know say I would wish for the best. And she saw that in me. No auntie ye choose back you no can say first one you choose here. She said to us say and really too much of a may my dear. Okay. But I insisted that there be Fundaka dear, it's about time me who didn't hear the Fundaka be a my dear unisex. For like you rightly said, no, yeah, we the Ebony dear, may my dear mother, I don't believe in that. And Timika just said no, even though she made that point. Dr. Lawrence said to me now, we say, my men say, yeah, where they are too much of feminine now I was whatever me my dear so to speak masculine exactly na and I'm saying no because I'm who say very unique and na common so I made that point and almost so we paid for that na Saturday no Friday na ekọ na exist no me ho na mama ne ba no nana I know how much you love your girl. How special she is to you. Adaka fufubia by being mad. Very beautiful. But after Abella there, Yakofa no Usuaba, Yakofa only one specify where it was coming from. But she said, say Afe Naba. Now I fascinate the Mimi choose here. Okay. Because I did ask, say, sweetheart, you think that is better than the one I've already chosen? And I said yes. Onukwana from there, far better. Now the one better, but still should maintain certain things, the price and everything. Because Ebony, no, I see any black. Now when you're black, and no, my as I speak with you, no, my and try or uniform so no the children. Now all I saw a glass now a dozen. It was so beautiful. And maybe I say one moment there, but on pushing me to make a choice on that. Okay. And Sami Pedia and obi oye saa nneɛma no na adwuma no if she tells you say this is it and it's far better than what you've already chosen na I don't be fiti ubana I got carried away because like I said I've always since day one cherished and pampered that girl and don't hear from Ohima deserves better and okay I'm say so what can they are then deal so if you say one out on that no one I adwuma said you what will be abre why you be abre to ka say and no be fit me bana now when the status open the personality in the horizon everything about him man say no you okay there then I've taken your word it's a deal still na me to no insist me pa me twa na me hwe yet try why it wasn't coming time was running too fast against us because na Friday so we had a lot to do TV chance your man later I'm from say sweetheart my who adaka no but me call but I've taken your word say best for Nana Hima nti meko ena eja me ni meeting sorry ena ba fi so me adaka na nkasa say si o say no man who I saw the picture of it the photo of it so to speak but man who verse man who I did not say si o say but I like that because the person in charge HSA I know be fiti akola no na like I said no na me pe bibia ye sononko okay na me pe bibia ye sononko ma na hima because I na me so tie ti be je pene time me who any time omo we dem no I didn't go there myself I'm not here for how much I didn't go there after I had already made a choice so I'm fair no here so there was no basis whatsoever to go to say whether I like it or not or I change my mind or something. I thought it was a deal, a beautiful one like that. And now, many me dumb. Tell me who say see a honor. And I like that. No regrets whatsoever. No. There is nothing attached. I wonder say Ghana for attaching meanings to it. It's a shame. Now I say Obi say yes Obi the kum chacha wa brand here. He's talking too loud. I mean, I don't know. I'm just confused. I don't know why he would say all that. I'm not only name me, but I've never met him. He hasn't done that. Now, one person or discredit me, and also person or defame me to that extent. I'm so sad because I saw for to say also who black offender. My dear, black coffin will be say, or because who black offender and just say only will be there and just say it doesn't exist. Now, me name the or my portion. I even say illuminati. You are linking me to that. It's a shame, a big shame. Black coffin will be say. I but na on Ghana na so who will be there. And what I say, I challenge them so Google no who black coffin if it is say the CA ecophobia almost our society man now say a coffin a high demand. What you say? And you know, me one I was okay with that. It was so cool because said Omokano Obia will be there or him my special or him my unique. It obviously Ube who be there, Ebia who be there. It doesn't mean say Ebia no was society me and not papa me your society be. No, I'm not. But I didn't mean who unique. Something that is not common to see. And I'm so okay. Well, after all, you try to hear there. And Aja, I'm going to be 2 more. So I'm even surprised. Say, actually, no, baby, I'm imagining you could interview the woman. I could give you maybe to my invite, you know. So you could interview her. One of them, yeah, choice, mama. Now I'm not like I'm saying. I mean, regretting one bit. She made a real choice for me. Ebony, you're black. I say no. Okay. A year to a fly, much black. Yeah. So the other from that black man. What is the big deal about that? What is the big deal about that?
I don't know. From no ni see a no. And Kofi link spirituality to it. I don't know how you feel it as a father with the spiritual link. Obi cry a video be nipa no wo amanone. Oh yeah, why a picture, why say we illuminati now do ba. How did you take all that till now?
It's so sad, like I said, my dear, quite sad. Say umbe link me. Because me and Kasana, illuminati, occultism, what have you know, I have no any idea. My name is Romsitembo. Nasa Ghana for you had the Ghana for now, Muibino. And because Papa Nimuno, I would love them to speak. But any easy, who comes out after they are tagged? It will be very difficult for anyone to come out and say, a major member of the group, of the association, of the whatever. Nana Poukwati, Nimuno, because he isn't a member. I believe they are a membership. Yeah. But they don't mind any panel. And I feel too bad. I feel too bad. Mebano, Ohima was priceless. Ohima can be anywhere, be on the bet me at all. And to be who the NTSA met me, I call society be. And associate whatever we call it. Now, but to be baptized out Nanahima. Ghana for this year, Ghana for the Kunkuse. Now, Bedia Cose, Bedicope, Siko, say Nimunyamo. Debbie is far from that. And I'm so bitter about that, extremely bitter. Especially when people like wouldn't attack one friend say Chum Church or whatever they call him. Okay. Oh, it's a shame. I call one American, Obi the number Berma. My chain tape nibi. Now my name said Besiano. So who's a major company. Not my children woman was and I said there's but Sakwa the moment there. My name the home because my name no maintain ka. Na videos ma hebe be
no se sia wototo nsa ekura no ti anye yi na nsa ekopa de di kan ne de to so mienu ni si ani pe obeye the 6
this is me sweetheart, this is Nana Poku for acting for you because I mean you see inside I mean to me obi oni mi school days na I mean this is me. I can't change overnight because somebody said say we a member of this group and all that, so therefore I should change my attitude concerning. No, I wouldn't be able to do that because I'm not that, and it's not me. This is how I do my things.
Ohima free movie ye na WhatsApp chats ne nkomo na eba chese na ohima owo etata no. O kan kire open.
Ohima kan kire me da. Never did she tell me say maybe a visa. So can kire me maybe if she had told me. I don't know, but she never said it. So catch me, I said there, so catch me, you who have to do things the right way. I bet me prevent you fine. But she never said it to me. And I'm surprised she never did. Because the beer will be a beer Nanahima can't me. The beer catch me. Nanahima was my friend, in fact my girlfriend, my boyfriend, my mom, my sis, she was everything. She was everything. She loved me in as much as I loved her. Be clear.
Baby, I know can't share mommy, I can't share.
Anka bibia
say asofo kan kire ne say obi ahia no kan kire ne say obeye popular na after the popularity na chi no enche obe free mu
bibia anka bibia
wanka masa
we as for say we dey me hunu
because so say they didn't mention say omoka kire so we blah blah accident near that so for be en wa o man here until so we am say say so for me say na same baby na him man na kasa the one country she never told me, she never did.
But oh yeah chi ebia kasa ombenya ne no ebia ba
baby nipa be 30 kra
hey
I know akra yes no akra bi ba say you go to no kra no, but sadly I was not in the house. You go to no nya no, I mean Ghana for never be why you serious kakra. Ghana for sabata me mama ye binu mo yenye serious kakra. Oh, never be why em fan ni agro. Na him man your other person say obewu na sebi wonya apotas kakra bi anoma na say woye bi anoma na wo be nyo say o be nyane no o be tu na nyane no. Initially, let me be honest with you. Initially no, I saw for people I had my own mama there. No only me problem because I didn't want to understand them because now feel say it is not possible. Nyanko ponti ye bibia, no doubt about that. But said that me bano esidru ye no. Na me nyesho se nyanko be nyan data because madwe ye me say akra na dwuma na so or the akukuduro be ye wie. And she got to go back report a man who ran Osman. That's how I see it. Even though what attach it never be to it. I can also believe that say because they go because of look as a preventable now or more mukuno no when the more money per million back free my abusium nearby and back war industry. It is a myria a year I will go to him one day to find out who did that. Say Saudi and Oma attach superstition to it.
Okay.
So Oma attach superstition to it there. Meka say they winti duana nam no so no. Onwe no men no de beba asem ni besi na mo de nam no so no na hima na eso woko na mo de owo na tikoma de koye no has questions to answer, has huge price to pay. That is my strongest belief. Yes, that is what it is, if you ask me. Obeko na eso woko no we na djuma akra no ne ye ni nyina kire say na hima was into finish whatever she was doing. She told me that give it 2 years to go into music. Yes, she did. She confided in me. Even though no school. Anyhow, I didn't understand this queen. And then I probably said, why would you even come to me this morning, this time of the day, and come to tell me this goddamn thing? I'm not too sure about what to say. Are you okay? No, I'm peers. You should go out. I'm seeing family from the bedroom. And Rebecca said, another time was about calm down. I know actually why also may excuse because already no she was to be a lawyer. I've been in agreement, no.
Okay.
That's exactly what we agreed on. So on your law because only madie keke. It's not there was nothing more than being a lawyer. Me ubsami asama me no war. And she told that the law de mayama. Mam 2 years offline. Na mayama. And she had always promised, she had always assured me, say she would go into it. I don't know why I wanted her to be a lawyer though, but now feel say who deserve that, you know, whatever. And he, okay, me of all people, no, coming to maybe as because maybe I never had an opportunity to school to that extent. My man no be nice me do. Sorry to say this on air, but my man no be na me person do school in academics, you know, even though I was okay. But that me person me man echo. Nti oka sa chem say na ma wo kwa yi ama me. And I won't hear me there. I said, "Down just 2 years." She was able to convince me to take her position. Nti when I'm saying permission granted, I said it to her. Nti the near my practice go man go for as I speak with you now. Oh, the years I didn't go to pick them because what Sam said. Nti for whatever reasons, you know, I gave her my word and I blessed her. I did. Oh yes, I blessed her.
But there are some who have blamed you for say the dressing Ghana for can want someone as parents strongly one condemn. Was that really the case?
Well, I never condemned it once. Why would I condemn that? Senipa 10 a boom no more ba when any abono or attention is no now. So obviously that was a big brand. Yes, that was a brand. Obasisa bibia obaya name be differently. That makes her special. And nunti another kind of they different because herself she was so special. Bibio ye be Ghana for you to say na ye different from the Omahuda. Obviously my girl was so special. She was. And you know I never condemned it.
Okay.
That could pay me na me di nkomo say ya brand dey wie na na ma. Na ye bonya di na wie. And you know ye ntonu da na bi. And so cry no was it like say because no one ya say no one too sorry nyom. No one gospel singer. No yeah or yeah dance hall artist. Dance hall artist no. I say coincide with dressing in name be to make it full. You fear no your name be no sir. Your attitude, everything about you should just coincide or should be with in line with your way. That's what I believe in. And to me, when is I don't even though I make a certain point, but I like that. Yes, I am obey me. Yes, say apart from Facebook for didn't trust her the boyfriend. Oyema was not a bad girl. She couldn't have been a bad girl. Maybe a little bit my bad. No way. Maybe I'm telling bad. She was well tamed. Seriously, she was tamed. Yet still also. Because
like on your parental care,
trust me. 100%.
Ebi akase not lucky parent.
Yes, there's this guy they call literate or whatever they call that goddamn guy. I'm so bitter about his utterances, honestly. Onim they are no can. He na me pen the baby how our training about. The baby no training in the him. Yes, because she was just 20 years, 21 years. She had a personality. And the bachelor say, no, you're very well cared for. No, you're pampered. She was a Jew. Ohima was priceless. Literate na no kasa no. Ye na me pedi baby na daje me hu ne baby. Na ma pedi ba no, na ma tete o de ma ne ba no. Ohima ye she that tie no. I did my best, my maximum best in support of her mom. Ohima anya wayward. No way. Dabi ofifie mi fie ni. Ohima no obi an share toilet that. Let me be conspicuous and say all this because it's about time I speak out. Ohima no obi an share toilet that. Obi oni bia baka je say efie bia me bank na asana me si me de no efie bia me han efie ni nyina because of my children obi am yansape obi a woni dan obi on toilet. That's how I do my test. Sakwe we to guys say when your parental care you wouldn't say that because who dey na because na okọ public toilet so excuse me to say enya bad so okọ public toilet but me dey na me share that no wonder she excelled no wonder enya mo so hima excel is because from day one no why on him? I'm going to tell you that it's true. Fear be me high be as I miss if you know. A few ways to see on a fear be on the toilet room and bath. Sakwe we could some like I say, I could wear nyantia. Now we name the oka. Debbie, and me must say me omokobe, why ye? I think I'm talking to a lesbian.
No, ebi say nadam for on the nam or bow on the Konya accident any lesbian partner.
I wouldn't know that. That I wouldn't know because I know my girl was not like that. I wouldn't know. I would never know that. How would I know? And I don't think it could be the case because it's in here. And go for say my nam yanema or him and yebi. She never did. Akwewe yakra ya titiri. Na the titiri na no what to say. Yana me pebiet Kofi me so ya ma me opportunity once a time na me be questions we say o ma titi o mu ye no ya na o mu di mi na no o mu niam to say I just want to know na mu se kina bi no se me san obi ma me hu se me si atete na Ghana for because we dey ya atete no akware nyum na what talent no o ye na ade na papa na support who say me ne ye nyum bi
yeah
who does that because it tells you say na metinase bro so I encouraged her I pushed her I did that. Who does that? Ghana woman di mateba bre but obom tie bochiro munim niema bia ni so no it's only a reasonable and supportive father who would do this and I did it for love for my girl so we be mkoba messiah even worse than that I would do more
messiah also mommy dear my Ebony we ne maame abusuani ba ko ka ho ewi e kra de video ba ye maame ba ko no de ne sanenam Ebony ho minim how affect family no sen no mo je no up till now mo atumi recover
enya easy se wa woni Ghana for de se ka se de ya no si ho a ya me ampata kra cap kra wo mfa no anu nsuo na wanya hoden abie wa no akasa so what I say adi a woni se enye no kre no na wonye sa bibi no oso me yanka me fa nto so na ma ne nyo ti se adi a obi wa busuam no no ka ho de a the person must pay for it because I know dear say na ya kana so obi nsa wo mu de a say ya busuani say ya industry mo obi nsa wo mu de a nimpa ko nya de obefa no hodi because anu nyina enya me nkwanya family no kwa anu bia wo wiase bia e ka wu no ho asem because ya na enyo eti no me de metima kan say e de bibia manyame e de bibia manyame enti no de ne nsa wo mu no obetna se onfa no honni
yeah.
And they don't find one. You put that senia with him a good inchne. Don't find one.
Who did you say and sabit me a woman?
Me, I did me find when you many pada seni se nipa da sani betime kumba ba Bible say de sunti dua nam no so beba no onye de onwie mi fa ni monyam ma nipa bia se wakumba me se ya de se nipa da sani nsa wo mu dia ni nipa kron se ni yankopon ni me na so na ni yankopon friend so dia papa we bi ni nko court ni bem tabi de open na wo ye tino
Ebony mame wo Ebony wie no gya na to ne papa so no odwa ne kwatena kwantu ate sen sa asem no nokra be ne wo minyai me ba enkwatena buchi enya no ho to ne papa so papa makwantu na me koye no de bit makan se minya obi amakwa akoka abuchi dabi se de meka no afi bia mitimba 2 times ebia afi ameba ba akono ebia me ba December no na my free hunting timbe di 4 months me nko abroche ma medi to aya yi kura ne be 3.5 months nti imagine say afi ba akon wa ba na wako na wasan ye ya nti minim the way we as for kan sa chese meja me ba na to ho no mo eja ko bit maka say me ba no say na okoro industry ma wo sha African wa me man share you me nyina ha enka obi a woni mi bia enim the way am me mate ebia no okoro mu na open pam wa ya na human ne ma me ba last am de man no e da so gudem a o me fa kra ade no se ompe
enya de a ompe enya ma me de be me ma no obi a woni mi bia eni tinu se wi ase fo
eni bi no de dress ya ye se na dress nya na
papa me bre ni niema me bre me ba ni niema pa me bre ni niema nana make Ghana for there one she gone NC ni na ase nko ade aha de obeye bia e be ka ho asem pa
asemo dadi nkofo afili osa ebisi onyaye a one Caroline osi onyaye anko wa agye bitese wa obetumi agina n'echi na wata n'echi emfa ho hwe we nso se maame memo ntenase o momfa nko no gopo nipa o yes ade bia maame ofori wa adu na we se na na wakase ye chop case we free na nakankam no de bae wo se de asie nyina no munyaye na Ebony na ankasa very venge the AC no Erajua Gabra enode ebaye we say please ask them where is Ebony's driver, better still find him and interview him. Ajua Bruce aja Ebony driver no way
Ebony driver me nimuneda I haven't seen him, I haven't met up with him ne mom ne papa na ne maame ne papa ne nuanom bi ba hanom
okay
na me bisa o mo se na man na nkasa we I'm say on Tiapo. I'm saying, I remember your mommy who know. Now, on the bit me, I'm the regis as to what happened. ABS said, and it's what why okay. So she will be able to give the actual account as to what happened. But me or one can be, you know, me name say be a Dutch be an over there, but me name my brand here. But
here pa because ono so betumi aboa ya me yehu de esi
pati ebe pa na na make an anti you know I'm say some more media people mo betimi you can me am a mistake na e ha me omba ya man for number na wasn't myself and you know me be as another no man for number moba eja no moba akra na nkasa mo mo ye na nkasa obetimi abachi amen. Well, you know, I wasn't too happy. And them say, my missa baby almost here. That is where maybe I made a mistake. I should have kept my cool to know where we can locate them. But I didn't do. Why didn't I? Because after all, the queen is no more.
Okay. Mame, a year no send 1 week in you won't say, Mammy Bebunko to agree. Yes, Ebony Casafani moon, a cansem show, and someone comes seen so. And no crab in a woman, Nana, and no crown or catch show.
That's somebody. That's my can say. Minya would say, Minya soon. Minya soon. Na ompe soon. Tina. I am sending one ma. Won't be finding. I find this.
I said God will deal with one more time for Lydia or say no de buyer. Was in Yankopon Cosona on Shamodin and Najua a cha in Kun. Was it please ask them if they are brothers and sisters because they look alike too much. Appear and what they buy. I say most but and then they lead me. One time what to tell and say once and warrior and answer was number together. And I wait a minute same from fuse.
Yeah, and tell what to say.
Okay.
But I don't know. I was say I'm the not minimum him and a kakai. And I him and them so got a delay. TV soon or kai. So I don't know. So that is what it is.
But I say after we know more.
It's only time will tell.
Time will tell. When we make video be I say Mobasa come together audio be.
No can be there.
On can be there but Mobasa but together.
I know Vanakano.
Boys be crab by so mope Ebony replacement Ebony. O man e bi o ho a o mo trodwom to Ebony.
Meba the Ebony dinner very very good. Extremely. But I don't know up school no more. Where we university we was so person or some law or something. And me name say be a channel I could talk to her and I say on Najumes I say on to first class. I could say she is even better than Ebony. I'm telling you, and there are no two ways about that. And by my name as it is now, no. Free happy mommy. Okay. Name, but I believe say so cause about she could be very good, equally good.
On also told them
seriously. Or voice no. Say you is all about voice. Or voice or personality no. Or you be I don't know. But boy, anybody, and I mean, I got another penum from day one. No, the penum. You may have made it. And you know, or more free. It's our time. No, oh, mammy, so powerful voice. Oh, mammy, or voice and casa.
Okay.
And see, me this be almost free from mammy. Yanka said the voice there. I don't think Semi will be what he has said me the but I believe say, oh, mammy, voice on fire. I should think so.
I mean, Abra Otron maybe can Abra ye or to a one in young then I'm out to a one in young.
Oh, the amount I told you say. I am who I say, me share a dome guhona. A doma a guho, nana himantina, or munina ona. Me to say, Yenina, a woman air. Yenina will be any abre, but me to say, the best idea to tree. Like I said before, no, we won't so ye. Tino, and yet any jar, a young bro, so I say, me bear when a many agent to every, but me to say, a doma, a good on money near. I see, if they want to say a crown of top form, we are seeing a penny now. Ubia akumayene ti edi akrana ti esuma no ti eno ho ayina me hwa eyebrow so me so me se ne ho an se me wo ba bi se ti ne eyama ho a me to agina Ebony anam edi ama wiase ni panyina se yani so de omo ya ma abusia enye eni je se wo ba ewu na wo to ba hwe edom egu ho na Eboso.
they look good together. Let them come together. Okay, or say, I pray they can. Hey, message is Ebony. I pray they come together. I pray they come together. Please, if you finish, bless their marriage. Look at them and what they buy. Or say, I want you people to come together, marry back, way free, Irene, ho. Or say they are in love, funny, and what they and no buy. Or say the father wants them to come together. I can see. Or say, Mr. Quatin, please marry your wife, please. Gloria, and what they and no buy. Or say there is still love, or him and Miriku say, or who says still or say love you both, mom and dad, Mame Efia Adoma JB. Or say please get together. Things do happen for a reason. Constance Boateng and what they buy. Or say Kofi don't agree with what Ebony herself, so very revenge, you know. Oh, okay, well. Or say they look good together. Akusia or Hinewa. Or say they should come together, Irish. Or say, oh, they are such a lovely parent, Edna Suleiman. Or say, Ohima wanted the parents to come together. May her demise bring them together. Or say, I wish to stop watching this interview because I'm still crying. Sula Kafra. We say, come together and make Ebony proud. Jafar and Kaman or the buy. And we say, I'm happy for you guys. Yeah, Godwin. And we say, the love is still deep. There's always room for improvement and reconciliation. Shanti Lambo and what they buy. We say, please remarry. Just say, remarry, Nidia. Say, Ebony. Please, we need you to reunite. Hey. What's in it? Okay. But I'm trying to home rest this year and I feel Berma interview.
Because we are nice.
So interview no as well. Now, there mean sign well. Comments every night just someone sign come on.
It's only time will tell.
Mean sign okay, a year no chino. Someone ever say if you cry analysis. And somebody, if I am a xylophone, I am a xylophone for a xylophone. And almost sign the Sika by the bridge is a Sika. And somebody
yes, they're gonna for Canaan or more mature no, far from that. And yet, the mature no, it's not the true happening. Not at all. And xylophone for nobody now. Xylophone for yeah, 50,000. Oh yes. Casapreco for my 40,000. I had 90,000. No, I'm confused here. So much explain, but they gave 40,000. Casapreco ma 40,000. Xylophone Emma 50,000. These were the na med that nipa binu mase. Even though me was say well me name the entire ko yesa obi explaining to me the entire Casapreco for some 90,000. No, don't me person I won't be no because me and Casa Napoku there the check they gave was 40,000. Indeed, in Sonia the other 1 week they took the cost. Meaning say I accumulate acquire 90,000 now. Then I don't know. But cash, my check was 40,000. That is what I got hold of. Now Xylophone for they bought cash. 50,000 cash. and a year as no, a year as them say, yet TB, apart from 90,000, I'm 100, and I'm in dear. I'm not saying, say, Obianya, dear, there be. Nipa bebre Reverend Lawrence Tete, the evangelist, renowned evangelist. Oh yeah, dear pa, he supported us in diverse ways. He did. Seriously, he did. Ojina Mumae, yes, or in a Juma, or the scale room, or yen pepe, a yen monyam. No, the share many mabusia. Also, Sofu Bempa contributed towards that. I should acknowledge them. Bolare, he did his maximum best. He supported my situation, my cause. Papa, Bolare ni monyam for Sofu. Odifu akwa. He supported me. Nyamishra no, we hear the TV 6 o'clock. We are a perclana sema broso. Nyamishra no. Nipa bebre boy. Nipa bebre support me. Just I said that there. Mama radio ayebi. Okra mbodom no ayebi ame. Once I interview me there, I task you to do that. That's okay. That's amazing. That's true. Na madda nipa binum obi oba bia na ye ni soy all say o ma exaggerate niam binum well say scan on ntisa far from what is there to read ewo media I no net no so whatever. It's very far from that. However, ye ni aso ye ba no na biscuit mi to no sabi metiwe na metimba bi dada metiwe na metimi ka mu na me shamata de na me ye de me ye bia dada na hima de no ameye plus amame abe minus rather because the personality of him afuno my girlfriend my boyfriend me nua me ma me bibia no she's no more nti amehwe amwame I see them as peanuts but so supporting aboye na nya no ntia nti me ase obi say my kumi ban for me nya sika bia kra cheze betima mo bia ka se medina na exchange for money or for fame ni de betimi anya cheze na hima toto na kwan yi na ojaba ton no ma ne papa because any monyam na odi nam no odi ma ne papa ba she no mo ba she no odi ma ne papa. No wonder people are bashing me here and there, but at the same time no so wa she ma ne monyam, and I'm proud to say I'm taking that part of the story. Say wa she ma ne monyam sika sem ne de ohene antisa papa bi me dana say MPP ni bi abai no so let me be honest and say abai no so boy presidency the staff chief of staff in the office no they supported on my miska we am 20,000 first year 1 week no and I 10,000 for the 1 weekend there tourism ministry they almost yes I don't my president office mommy 5,000 president office mommy 5,000 through the chief of staff no already no so no grounds no free of charge grounds no you sure send bo wani pa but omo the mommy 2 days which according to staff now want to say it never happened in say every Saturday and Sunday but nana himanti abai no tie me ebai mama 20,000 men mabusia and this is for John Mama president ex-president o mama 10,000 just any na yes sika this is what happened nanado yes and I'm nanado in the office mama 5,000 which is 50 million right 5,000 and on conformity 550,000 no it's not. He did his best. He supported us. Assassin that don't no. The security men and all that no. No the first responsibility no. No. Yes.
But Ebony Onyeska obey rich.
Ebony as a matter of fact, Nana Hema, me Nana Pukwati. So I remember, na still na make na me ton tadia man. Oh yes. Oh yes. And a man tadia. The manager catch them say Christmas monya 2 point something billion. Well, I don't know because my who be sir. But I think once the time na many bullet because he says to me monya 2 point something billion. Honestly, my who time monya and my who because one chile I never enjoyed one fathom, brass fathom from the queen because I wasn't even interested. My concern was to see her grow. Na me dey na every me say Nana Hema and no time na here you just to push her me lift no say anya you cry no am for beka ne papa cry support there. Who are you to condemn her? Upon condemnation na onya father was in love, father supported her, father accepted the whole thing. So therefore, what was the basis? That was why I got involved. Isika onya my hu na my nibi. Yes, because bullets if Christmas within that time, she had about 1.2 point something billion. I mean, this was, but my own. I'm yet to know. My own. Never did I see. Intimate is like first say, Nanisika, there be me ban me na be tata dear man, even though she was that big star. It will be yes, she knows it wherever she might be. So I want to say man, papa, because no be any me, papa. I'm proud to beat my chest in pride and say that because I care. I really care. Tonight, man, but no wonder said television be over and say studio be over can papa because she realized I care. So on for Omushi Omudin Kobo. Now we said papa is exceptionally beautiful person. Okay. Until baby be about papa. If you don't know my temperature. Obomi dey send mama, and the mama don't need that boy. Oh yes, even though she was doing her best might not be good enough. Who knows? But me na Hema, and na make us say baton. Or jam if ya. A bus a yes we about twice so near the Akobi finishing, and that's exactly what we intend doing. I will need your support, each and everyone out there. Almost support us Nana Hema course to get mission accomplished.
To say what next?
Like I said, your name will be in Dimbeya. Nana Hema, like I've always said there, she lives on. She's not dead, like the mother rightly said. On my way inside. Flesh, you know, but in spirit, the queen still lives on. And you have a peja, near my baby, you have a man abem. The SMB be and didn't bet chance be I cannot do it all myself alone. May hear more where we can go, what we can do. I bet my man and Hema at Trance said the Bob Marley Trance no. Said that those powerful great guys no or might live on till now no. I will need your support, your maximum support. Said na Hema so bet my first acquaintance na what Trance because na the name of age na na one. It is any panel. We don't quench the fire that keeps burning in her. And I might bet one in human so. The foundation 102, I will take it up. So that she shall always be remembered. She shall always be there. For generations to come to know, to come to see.
Yeah, so say 10 o'clock now. I did your one Kabayama and Nahima, they are strong. And they are only way.
Papa. They won't make up.
It's sad. But the Ghana for after we are the human. Lesson you my was here. I'm all who me pursue. Ama Jen was free.
The Messia and the meet me a catcher Ghana for any say. So Obi ya dear. A boy and mine, nation ina. Nasa ye ni so. Nasa a de, nasa ye pa. Yan fire ho din me bibi anya den. Emmo nipa no. But my condemn no. Yammo nipa na de a waye no. Aya yen hwa brofo. Yammo nipa no. Home fam no honam fam. Nipa Ghana for ade bi wa utin sade nipa ne pepa. Enso so obeyi ni yam aka no kra ade a kire nipa ne say na ekọ no. Ana obeka kire obi say no. Dabi onye. But the down for obeka asemo ya. Se nyame ampata na wa nyina yi a. Na chese adwuma ana ade kodi a wo ye no. Na eno ano no. Ti de messe Ghana for ne say. Yes, show mo. Ni asi we say no. Emfanye sua hu. Se adibi obi ya ade a ahoɔden ene mpaye bi ebetimi de aboa nipa na ebema nipa no etimi akoso no yemmoa ebia so obi ani ho a ne nsa so na chi obi ahia mmoa efiri baabi
Abrana bash na ekoso Ebony ne dressing Ebony as a mother ne mame na ohun ya osai
eja Kofi eya de eya kire ne se watete oba wonim se watete oba nipa no enya de a the way a nipa even though I am brand ya o hye edi eba stage ni enya de nipa ne tesa ba nipa betime agina bonten obi betime atena ne fie aka ne fefe ya obetime apolish ade na obeka se woni nipa ne netifie ena wonim de nipa ne ye obeka no ya jese wuyi wa no ba bia enye ye mi wan so no obi yes obi na wonim batete obi na wonim batete de me kan say obi wa obefi say ode ono oba wo fie wa hye eye wa hye go asifom o sorry afa bible akita o kwa sorry wo ko ha say obani si abonten a wonim ni okoye especially ya mamu ho no hwano abroche we ankura ni obetimi afifi afa ni bibia pepepe enso opi abonten no enema a wakwa akọ de wakwa akọye no ba wo de wahu se wajare kwan okosku mi ka se wakwa akosi no aye nsusun kasa ne metima ka no nsusun kasa na do Ghana fo na obi ani mbatete nti se obi asamo ba na se ye ka obi ba ho asema nipa kro no onwene se wono ankasa nanka atono na ye ka ana ne ba nanka ye kasa ache na se na obefili ti omunya abotre na ebi a wo de na ofi se owo fi onye ma obi ahu yo beso na de oye no ahu ebi a na we na tare na o share no wo ni se ya tare na o share beta ebi a na nipadua no ni muni na enye sa na o te ebi a wo de na o hye kosi fom na obi anim se na te no enso na de oye no na ya wudi ti de metimi aka che wi asefo nse ye ka obi ba ho asema ye nya abotre na ye nya aduabo bebrebe no ye nya ensem yi a ye ka gu nipa brabo so no on pa ko dwene se ye wo e na wo ba ne te saa nka sen na nka wo beka
contract Berma Ebony ni bullet call say you work no zalo for media penny assembly na it's an Ebony be say oboa no manage free contract no I don't know contract Berma on a bullet call
contract on a bullet call no contractor no musi emi no of which I only saw one. I told Bula severally, say, for the other one, I'm a mirror. na ba ko no ne ye no say me that church of which man who that and then even ohima wu ye kra no still me hu and on bullet no so sign back of which I no be a witness to.
And then no yes
oh man then no yeah say also manage no and the manager na dey say normal contract almost sign and no and no me hu ye na nipa no we continue same be one ma we keep to ourselves. I would wish to take that position say and for now would you far-fetched anytime I need you now me sure some baby to my mama and you wouldn't hesitate to come over to see me and as it unfolds no you'll be accordingly.
But if you are dying
that is it me I don't know if it had not been I'm saying him be first wrong 4 bedrooms or so be a toilet and bath, big hall, every goddamn thing is up there. But I don't know. I tried my best. My best was not good enough. I tried. That person bad bear me. But me she will always say that I would die. Me more to dance my metal fee $2 million house amount. She would always tell me this. Me knew how bad my place is. Oh yeah, I wouldn't know anyway, because she would. Yes, but sweetheart, that is what she would tell me. Said that would have been people from now. Into a casa, no, Nana Hima, Brasura, that would have I'm coming. Then be a Nana Hima, she will come over to live with Dad. Wouldn't you mean that? I said, but first of all, Nana Hima, 5 bedrooms. Who know what I say? Oh, be a doing. I said, we are catch the papa me, catch the papa. Me, poor, me respect you so much. Me move for umbu. Let me say this. Once a time, me na him make us. Na ye chatting. Na me we fear. I'm say now we pushing me to that goddamn wall, and I'm say me reacting in a way. And I'm say me name say because say oh so dear what's wrong? I'm say because say be. I catch him say no, I should go back. Na me who how to address her. Me ye mo shame. I have the tape here to show you. Me ye mo shame. Say sa na him na me kasa no me we fi yem say me kan fo me manipul me kasa bi wan pe o say me go back na me restate you know, because she deserves better than that. And immediately kind be able she me and pass me say sa na him na me kasa no, so I go back and I'm saying your highness I'm sorry and also better. That is Nana Hima for you. No a big influence on me, huge one. Yes, because me respect him. Until me can't say that there, don't worry, remember. That means me, that be our baby, Nana, that will come, sao. The fear not even know, she paid 24,000 for a year. You heard me?
Yeah.
24,000 for 1 year. That money is huge. And yes, chicken feed could have done something. But was it that this is how I want it to be? Not such personality. The pedigree. And I mean, fair enough, so me and I'm doing about me man the liberty to rule, to do her own thing, because oh yeah, Nana him, oh he mind me and can't guess. To also mind me and can't him. No, I couldn't do that. Few and make it way be na me a chance. I mean, any problem. My family san Canada because no you're him. Indeed, she was. Obey or him because Bible said the actual here and the actual so in terms of ordinary him and free sooner by and don't tell you wound day one because one hospital one me who saw your him to be fair and na him identity only din be as na him preslopo quite no go school no na e dey true but the din kasa de na him wontimi nka na wontimi nka o him keke nti obi e no friend o him just all na na so so man esipi esita. And to have an me, sweetheart, was it that meba, baby, meba, today be a buffy, never be a battery and Kermako. It was on SM Cosino, Miancasa, you all the Uber no number. Yeah, Nesem could drop no fear. Yes, she was a real queen. Maybe, I am one. Yes, I am. That's it. That's how it should be. Yeah, Papa, no, we never had privilege. We never had an opportunity to express it. Yeah, can't shy. It never be we don't belong here. And so now I'm saying when you had that support, you couldn't excel. But on him, man, and money, they've had it all. I mean, Obia needs a restriction. No. That's how it got to be. Indeed, that's how it got to be. And you know, parents out there, no, they make sure they do by a beer. Yeah, I'm not crying, free. No one tells them because maybe Baba to my crab they say Baba catch them, even though say my approach now. Yes, Baba catch them. The closeness is there. Yeah, you're too close. And you didn't come boom. If you're at Obia, you will be. That's it.
But why lesbian?
If you will be a new Obia, the no, Obia, the ope, but Obia abuse you. Now they never abuse it. You can't do that. Oh, limit. And Obia who's a limit, no, or yes, where you might abuse no. It will be a respect to Obia. But I made them cherish him much more. To my parents and baby.
Finally, on Kofi, no, and then secondly, illuminati link to you. What I say, oh yeah, so we graduate. Hey, he has done it again, no. And saying to you, oh church, I say, I couldn't be able to see any pet. We have a say, oh, really, illuminati sign.
Mr. Almost all month to Mama, because I cannot check me on. This is me. From the will be only me behind himself made them in Sakasa.
Oh, yeah, on Sunday say, or 5 hours, so I say, we 0 to 6.
They never see us. Can you imagine? If you say it's about our moment to but make charge the Ghana for say, society, no, Minimubi. Make way if you because we live to die. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we accounts to give to the sender. There was someone man account. I know that too well. And to be very careful on them. Because just a group, we name the group. Who come and I there? Because you know what is it? One more day. What do they do?
Name the only year in totality. But I mean, so much here. Was it Freemason or Freemason for a year interview? But illuminati
Illuminati is much powerful.
More friendly interview now.
Because it's serious. Honestly, it's serious. Because we can be any idea. I mean, who said obesity where they hold their meetings, where they do certain. No, I don't know. I have no goddamn idea, sweetheart. No way. I don't belong to any of them.
Finally, my shaman knows about one time, but she must say, one shed that nay, that you might know. Or no idea, no.
It irritates me, yet it does. It irritates me. My tea, no. Jumana, and then we wish a police, you know, say police, you know, na lenke adeno. Now I've spoken with them. You know, Makasa. But then police phone still be Makasa. I'm saying, I think I'll still have something to do with them. Still, I will do. There's something to do with them. Send we are not the business. They won't trust me. I say, Najumano, so much. We each video near the other time. No one.
Finally, I was asked why they use black casket to bury his daughters.
Okay, I see and say was so unique, and I love that. There's nothing attached to that. No speciality, nothing, absolutely nothing. Mr. Ubisa, question with the Papa Miss Row. And fan kwashaho. Don't go there. Segana for Nebia because so Google tell them to Google to check to see black coffin is not in existence. And not say black coffin is see Omo John Sasiki courts no near there now. We ask Google and maybe I say I could be per Google. And to know who is now Google, you know certain things we are winning. But I still say coffin under down. I say Obi can say, who be there near the so many. I mean, I'm surprised at that. But maybe who be there, or who be there never either. Who be? Who be there? There's always a first time.
But I see the another book and I have money, Madam. Meaning say oh find out where the be ya.
Aye, they make catch Ghana for say parents no. Ya omo support omo ba. Bash and the obeti bebre, but stand fair, be solid behind Momba. Now mun push them if indeed they are going the right way. You can't just support them when they're going wayward. You wouldn't do that. But say who say the oh yeah no ya de bia ebe boa de ya, give your maximum support. And Ghana for mesra omo. Ne omu hu ya omo kan no. E se obi animonyam. E se obi din. Nti yesra omo ya na no so omo very mindful of that. So I say okay, we need gina so. Won't me fan say nipa no say sa nyame hweye. Nyame o hweye. Ti Ghana for so no. Ye ka say ana ntoma na so no. Ntoma no ye nana hima din na to so. Enye say illuminati for ana say ifo ne koye ye ti e bi. Ghana for ye besere o madaro ma. Minim support of them ma ye. Esu omosu agina so the whole world mourn with us, the whole world, the entire baby all over the world, all over the place. And here if you say and my American are chichire bi maye say ya wo baby ba wiase a wiase fo nyina na yesu bom emra ofire no kwa no Ghana for me mompaye na ne manye ye rather than say yeso ha ne yesuan I mean omo nye sure say the omo ka no e no kre en twan tonto ni person say ne din say na ne monyam enya right. It's so bad.
It is. Mommy, do you be giant
Dem me de beja wiasefo nyina ne say nana hima abusua eda obi biara ase fida o tofom ne na awotwe ebesi na no kwese de a ewie nachi eda obi biara ase wona efa ka bai wona efa plane from onone e baaye wona efa landing for you which say all over the world obi biara o frɛ ya o shey nkran even though they went me and frɛ kra o tena fie suma na hema abusa nyina da wo mase ami shira obi biara de obi biara hwiri biara na mi hye onana mu asida ebitim dia mo
Let us be anything interview the braille and then and you do this every day. The next one so you hope na ya paraglide and the also hope na ya the one so there and on behalf of the team you better be asked say on share we will be African but it's Eastern one and
Kofi TV. Kofi TV. Why? Kofi TV.